Hey, what's up, guys? JLD here. And for those who don't know, I'm a video editor, I'm a creative, I am a self help junkie. I love deep stuff, I love deep thoughts, I love thinking about life and all those things. So, because of that, there are really times that I feel lost. There are times that I feel that I'm not really sure with what I'm doing. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa ko. And especially right now, hindi ko sure which path is aligned with me. Hindi ko alam kung align ba yung ginagawa ko, mga pinagagagawa ko sa buhay ko, no? And yun yung time, siguro that was the high time na nakita ko na may free webinar si Chris, si TL Chris. And dun ko napansin or dun ako na interest. Sabi ko, I think I need this. I think I need clarity over myself more than ever. Pero bago napunta doon, me and Chris have been Facebook friends for a while. I think since I joined the freelance community na we're both in. And the challenge here is I'm a bit prideful, I think. Kasi as someone who have been in the self-help world since I was, I don't know, 15, 16 years old, and being and dealing with a lot of people, with leadership, with all these high leverage skills since I was a child or since I was a teen, I have this pride in me that, oh, hindi ko kailangan yan. I mean, why would I need the blueprint or profile, whatever, just because someone told me that I need it? Like, I know myself, right? And all this stuff na parang who knows you better than you, 'di ba? I know better. I know myself better than anyone. So that was me. Not until na parang I've been struggling with clarity. I've been struggling with clarity na parang everything that I see around me is aligned with me. Madali kasing ma-identify kapag ang choices is this aligned or is this misaligned? Madali siya tingnan eh. Ah, eto ako, 'di ba? Pero recently, I have been faced with I think this is aligned and I think this is aligned. So you see that iniisip ko, saan ba dito yung dapat kong tahakin kung pareho naman silang aligned, pareho naman silang gusto kong gawin, 'di ba? And that said, doon ko nga nakita yung webinar ni Chris, no. So I registered, and I hopped on the call. And that time, it's pretty interesting during the free webinar na there are situations or there are things in there that put words into the situations that I have. Na parang, may ganun pala. Ganun pala yung tawag dun. So, ganun experience ko. So, I bought the Super Genius assessment. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Uh, yeah. So, I invested on the Super Genius alignment session. And the most urgent talaga na struggle na gusto kong isolve talaga is I just really want to align myself. I just want to know how to realign myself whenever I get misaligned. I just want to know how I do things kapag may mga times or seasons sa buhay ko na parang litong-lito ko. I just want to know, parang I want to have a guide. I want to have a blueprint of my brain kung paano siya talaga nagfa-function. Okay? And evidently, sa work ko ngayon, I have been wearing many hats with this client. I've been an HR, I've been a video editor, I'm doing video editing management, a lot of things. Admin, operations, management things. I've been doing it. And there are times, okay, there are times that my days often feel like glass balls. I've been juggling glass balls while blindfolded. Isipin mo, I'm juggling glass balls while blindfolded. It's like too many priorities. No, nagko-compete sa attention ko. And it leaves my mind really, really tired. It leaves my mind foggy. Tapos ang hirap mag-focus talaga. Focus is the number one thing for me because I really know the power of focus eh. Alam ko na if I really just focus on one thing and I really just focus on the things that aligns with me, alam ko talaga, alam mo yun, if I do not just get distracted sa mga ginagawa ko araw-araw, mas marami ako magagawa, mas magiging effective and efficient ako. And dahil doon, I didn't understand. Oh, I didn't understand why there are times na I could perform like on peak performance talaga. Brilliant. Alam mo yun, parang I am the best team member. Ganon yung feeling. And may mga times na yung mental slow motion, yung parang ang bagal mag-process ng brain mo, you would just opt in to scroll on social media instead na mag-work. And those were the times na kapag, alam mo yun, yung workload, ng kalat, kasi nga ang dami nilang gustong ipagawa sa akin. Well, I'm glad that it's a privilege to work, 'di ba? It's a privilege to work for them and to help these people. And it's just that alam mo yun, sobrang messy talaga. Parang ang daming unclear na gusto magawa. And this was urgent for me. Kailangan ko tong ma-solve because unang-una, it's burning me out eh. Unang-una, it's burning me out. I'm being tired week after week. Ang recharge ko lang is when weekdays, no, Saturday and Sunday. And I feel like it's weakening my leadership impact over the team that I'm handling since I'm also a video editing manager. So, I feel like I've been less effective recently kasi nga I don't know which one to prioritize. Okay? And this one is heavy. And this is, I think it cost me opportunities. I knew I could win if I could perform at my best consistently. Kasi marami akong endeavors different from what I'm doing for work. With my interests, I opened up communities, I created content. However, at the middle of it, I somehow fall back. I somehow give up in the middle of it. I love doing things, I love starting things, but when it gets hard, I stop. Especially with hobbies, with things that are not related with my work. With my work, I don't have any problems with pushing forward, but I mean with these opportunities, uh, like one example, I was able to build a community 2 years ago and it went up to 484 members. But suddenly I stopped. Suddenly I stopped. And what if I was just able to have my brain profile then and perform at my peak because I know how my brain works and how my brain processes things, stores things, technically blueprint of my brain. I think I would be able to do these things, these opportunities that were lost, right? And the good thing here is the session helped me to overcome these struggles in my mind. Of course, I haven't actually like done it yet, but because of the session, I was able to have the blueprint of my brain. Literally the blueprint of my brain. Because now I know that I'm wired to process information visually and recognize patterns instantly. and produce my best work in clear, structured environments. And man, may iba palang ano eh, may iba-iba palang way of the brain processes pa depende sa tao, depende sa hormones mo, depende sa pagkakagawa mo technically ni God, 'di ba? And yes, it's interesting. Interesting siya talaga. But more than interesting, it's actionable. Okay? And man, ngayon ang dami ko ng gustong gawin when it comes to priorities, anong gagawin ko sa workspace ko, anong gagawin ko sa work this coming Monday or the next workday, whatever. So, ngayon alam ko na what will make me switch to high performance mode faster. Paano ako makakapag-transition from mental slump to mental acceleration to sustain my focus for longer. Na alam ko kung ilang minutes ako makakapag-focus dito at alam ko kung ano yung optimal time ng focus ko. As in, nalaman ko yun na parang, ito lang pala, itong minuto lang pala na to, yung focus time ko talaga na magfa-function for this straight minutes or hours yung brain ko. No? And with that, because I can do that, now I know that I can lead my team better. I can lead my team better. I can lead myself better. And I can lead my wife better. Ngayon, meron na akong sistema. Ngayon, I have a system that can turn my strengths into tangible results. Alam ko na ngayon kung paano ita-transform yung, well, technically yung genius ko. Technically, yung brain profile ko, alam ko na siya kung paano ko siya ita-translate to something that is beneficial, highly leveraging sa buhay ko. Okay? And of course, ngayong alam ko na yan, alam ko na rin kung paano ko ipoposisyon yung sarili ko. Okay? Na maitataas ko yung rates ko, masi-skill ko yung mga offers na nasa isip ko na naumpisahan ko noon, na gusto kong ituloy, na itutuloy ko. And just for the next 3 months, I'm looking forward to a lot of things that can unfold kung i-implement ko lang talaga lahat ng sinabi sa akin ng brain profile ko, no? And that's, I mean, I'm confident and I'm convicted. I'm convicted na for the past few years of being a professional or being in the creative industry, I have been grinding and working without knowing all these things. And I have been doing my best. I have been giving my best work ethic. I have been doing 16-hour work. And I know na kapag in-apply ko pa to, itong blueprint na to, in-apply ko sa akin, mas aligned sa akin ngayon, how much more will it do or will it impact my life? Okay? Nag-gets nyo ba yung passion ko, yung excitement ko dito? So, sobrang, basta, I hope kasama kita dito, no? Kausap kita dito na parang, alam mo yun, maramdaman mo yung passion na meron ako na, grabe, grabe talaga, promise. And imagine this, okay? Imagine this. I was able to fully throttle, step on the gas without knowing which I'm aligned with. Okay? How much more na ngayon na alam ko kung saan ako papunta? Gets? Okay, kalma, kalma, kalma. And, okay. I will tell you 3 things. First thing is this session added a highly visual step-by-step planning system. Intentional work environments and leadership practices that tap into my natural talent for connecting people and spotting opportunities. Promise. Okay? Solid. Solid lang. I mean, if you're not yet convinced, I don't know. I don't know. Ngayon alam ko na. Ngayon alam ko na. How do I do it? How do I curate my environment that will result to a better performance? How to process information. And second, this session helped me identify what to eliminate, what to stop, what to reduce, yung, well, specifically the mental drain. Okay? Yung mental drain of cluttered spaces, yung vague systems, project briefs, yung mga spontaneous work na wala sa plano, di pala align sa akin yung mga ganun. And lastly is trying to multitask my way through important work. Imagine that di pala ako pang multitasking, 'di ba? I mean, I can multitask based on my brain profile, pero hindi lang pwede sobra because when I'm overwhelmed with information, dun nag-overload yung brain ko. Ganun siya. Ganun siya mag-work. And number 3, I was able to know what to replace. I was able to know what to replace na, well, sasabihin ko na sa inyo, I'm reactive kasi. Okay? I do this, sabi ng brain profile ko, I'm best with decision making. But because of it, ang downside niya is sometimes this decision making doesn't really do me good. Okay? And ngayon, aware na ako that I can replace reactive, scattershot decision making with deliberate na visually mapped strategies that can keep me clear-headed, decisive, para yung buhay ko as a leader brings more impact that is calm and commanding, whether within my team, within my clients, or within my family. Kasi as a man, well, based sa profile ko, I'm created as a leader. You're a decision maker. Eh. I am a decision maker. And as much as I want to do decisive decisions in my life, there are times that tama nga yung decision, mali yung timing. Alam mo yun? Yung tama yung decision mo pero it was too early. Or tama yung decision mo but it was too late. Ganun. So, ngayon, alam ko na. Alam ko na how I work best. And how will I work best when it comes to decision making? When it comes to leading myself, leading my family. So, well, I still have a lot of things to tell you actually. I mean, this already has been so long. I mean, recording this 18 minutes na. Okay? I don't know kung ilang minutes nyo to mapapanood pero in my recording magna 19 minutes na to and ang dami ko pang pwedeng sabihin actually. I can go on for hours of what this session made me do or made me realize and made me think na hindi pala align to, align pala to. Yung mga ganong ways na, and dito ko nalaman na alignment is really, really a deep word. Hindi lang siya alignment when it comes sa emotions and thoughts. It is alignment with your being. It is alignment with how you are created. Yung sukat ng yung sukat ng katawan mo, yung hormones mo. I am blown away. Actually, I'm blown away by the value, okay, ng session na to. Value ng brain profile and value ng session with TL Chris. Really, really solid. Promise. It was really a solid session. So yeah, yun lang. Yun lang sa akin. Sana you were inspired by what happened to my life with just one session. Gusto ko na nga mag-session ulit eh. Nag-iipon pa ako. Pero yeah. TL Chris, if you're watching this, kung pinapanood mo to, maraming salamat. And if you are someone who is considering the Super Genius assessment session with Chris, man, just do it. If you have the means and if you have the if you feel in your gut na alam mo yun, I think I really need this in my life, I'm telling you, sab hesitant din ako nung una kasi technically I'm still in survival mode right now. Pero right now, knowing this, feeling ko in just a few months I will be out of survival mode. I'm telling you. I'm putting my name on the line. I'm putting my name, my GL Dabu on the line. Okay, my word as a man over this. So, yeah. And also, I never talk highly about something if I never really experience it on my own. So, yeah. If you are that person na you really think this video is the last straw for you to move forward with the Super Genius alignment session or with Chris, man, just go for it. Just go for it. Let me know. I mean, send me a message on Facebook. Just look for my name, GL Dabo, how it goes. I'm telling you, sasabihin ko sa'yo, it will never fail. It will never disappoint. Right? Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Again, napahaba to. I don't know if, yeah. Peace out. Salamat.